Hello, this is the garden apartment at 2015 West School. Very nice, big, open, spacious apartment. This is underneath the stairs that go upstairs here. Nice big open floor plan. It's got a really big living room, an eating kitchen. You see the big dining room table. There's a dishwasher over there. Here is the bathroom. A lot of cabinet space, a lot of counter space. Here's the back bedroom. This goes out the back door. The laundry is right outside of here. The back bedroom here. And there's a closet there. Really nice big closet. And as you walk in the front door to the left up there's plenty of room for an in-home office if you wanted to do one. Just a nice big open floor plan.